morning, yeah. Independence Day, happy. At first, I wish you all every happy Independence Day. It is the national festival of India. We got independence on 15 August 1947. My name is Tejas. My name is Tejas. I am studying 3rd standard A section, Greenland Matriculation School in Pudupe. Speech about Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack. He was popularly known as Netaji. Subhash Chandra Bose was a great nationalist and a freedom fighter. He fought for India's freedom with bravery. Subhash Chandra Bose also participated in civil disobedience movement. He was also a member of the Indian National Congress. Jai Shri Ram. My name is Asukesa. I am studying 3rd standard, Greenland Matriculation School in Pudupe. Now I deliver a short speech about Independence Day. At first, I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. After 200 years of British rule, India got independence on 15th August 1947. Chacha Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. Independence Day is a celebration of our freedom. This year we are celebrating 78th Independence Day. It is celebrated to commemorate our freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Chandra Bose and so many others. It is a public holiday. On this great occasion, our Prime Minister goes to the national flag on Red Fort. Independence Day makes us feel we are one, that is Indians. Let us be proud to be Indians. Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind. I am studying in 4th standard. My school name is Greenland Matriculation School. Today I speak about Sarojini Naidu. Sarojini Naidu was born on 13 February 1879 in Hyderabad. Sarojini Naidu, known as the Nightingale of India because of her reforms. She was active in Mahatma Gandhi non-cooperation movement. She was first Indian woman to become the president of the Indian National Congress. Sarojini Naidu was first to become the governor of the state of India. She was actively involved in civil rights and women's. Sarojini Naidu died on 2nd March in 1949 due to heart attack. Birthday is rightly celebrated as National Women's Day in India. Jai Shri Ram.
Very good, very good. Thank you. Next, Adhanasri, 5th standard. Veru Namchya.
My name is Adhanasri. I am studying 5th standard, Greenland Matriculation School, Pudupe. About Rani Velu Nachar. Rani Velu Nachar was the first queen fight for freedom from the British in India. She is known as Veeramangai. Her parents were Raja Challamuthu Vijay Raghunatha Sethupathi and Rani Savanti Muttala of Ramnath Kingdom. Rani Velu Nachar was born on January 3, 1790. She was born in Varanasi. She is popularly known as Jhansi. She was trained in art, writing, archery and martial arts like Valari and Siramam. On 31 December 2008, Indian was a great role model for all women. Jai Shri Ram, Jai Hind.
நன்றி. அடுத்தது
Sri Guru Namaga, respected principal, teachers, parents and my dear friends. Today, my name is Sasha Randal. Today is 15th August, the celebrate of our country. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. It is celebrated with great every year on 15th August. It is celebrate.
சரி. அடுத்தது தமிழகி.
Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose.
Sri Guru Namaga. My name is Chetan Dalage. I am studying in 7th standard in Greenland Matriculation School.
Miss Kavita.
I am tell about Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, a Congress leader who had a vital role in India's fight for freedom. Born in 1897, his profound love for the country fueled his commitment to the cause. Recognized for his pivotal role, was established in Indian National Army. Famous for the powerful slogan, "You me blend, I will give you freedom." Was firmly believed talking action to achieve India's independence. Jai Hind.
Very good. Next is Subhashni, 8th standard.
Janasri and Verisa.
Sri
Other
Guru
Kavita.
Namaga. My name is S. Subhashni. I am studying 8th standard
Other
in
songs.
Greenland Matriculation School at Pudupet. Today, I feel proud and honored to stand before you to celebrate the most significant day in the history of our nation. On this day, our country became free from British ruler, marking a new beginning full of hopes and determinations. But dear friends, Independence Day is not just about remembering the past. It is valuing about the freedom and looking ahead brighter future. Jai Hind.
நன்றி.
Next, Janasri, 9th standard.
Sri Guru Namaga. My name is Arjun Shri. I am studying in 9th standard. Greenland Matriculation School in Pudupet. Speech in Independence Day. India's gained independence on August 15, 1947. After independence, India's Jai Shri Ram.
Sri Guru Namaga. My name is S. Vedisha. I am studying in 10th standard, Greenland Matriculation School at Pudupet, and talk about Independence Day speech. India gained independence on August 15, 1947. After independence, acquired all the fundamental rights. People celebrate to them by hoisting the national anthem and reciting national flag. We should all be proud to be India, but from 1857 to 1947, to many lives of freedom fighters to our freedom fighters, to several decades, several great freedom fighters to all our likes Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad. Gandhiji was a great freedom fighters and a great freedom fighters likes Gandhiji. We are so lucky to have been land of happiness, peace and happiness by forefathers. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Very good, very good. அற்புதமாக பேசு.
Sri Guru
எது குழந்தைகளை கொண்டு போறீங்கன்னு தெரியும். அந்த சாங்ஸ் ரெடியா இருக்கு.
Thank you.
என் பெயர் சாதர்ஷன். நான் வகுப்பு படிக்கின்றேன். அகரவரிசையின் சுதந்திர தின கவிதை. அகிம்சை வென்ற நாள், ஆங்கிலேயரை வீழ்த்திய நாள், இந்திய விடுதலை அடைந்த நாள், ஈடிணை இல்லாத நாள், உலகம் அகிம்சையை விழுந்த நாள், ஊர் போற்றும் நன்னாள், எண்ணிலார் தொந்தான் ஒடிந்த நாள், ஏற்றில் எழுதிய நாள், லயமின்றி சரித்திரம் படைத்த நாள், ஒற்றுமையின் வலிமையை உணர்த்திய நாள், ஓர் புதிய கௌரவமாய் கிடைத்த சுதந்திர நாள். அந்த போட்டி காத்திடுவோம். தினம் தினம் அனைவருக்கும் இனிய சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். நன்றி.
Next, Manish, 3rd standard.
ஸ்ரீ குரு துரோணநாதர். என் பெயர் ஈராமணிஷ். நான் 3ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கின்றேன். கிரீன்லாந்து மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் பள்ளி, புதுப்பேட். சுதந்திர தினம் பற்றி சிறு கவிதை. அண்ணல் காந்தியின் அகிம்சையால் கிடைத்த சுதந்திரம், நேருவின் நேர்மையால் கிடைத்த சுதந்திரம், கொள்காத்த குமரனின் கொந்தளிப்பால் கிடைத்த சுதந்திரம், கட்டபொம்மனின் கம்பீரத்தால் கிடைத்த சுதந்திரம், வேலு நாச்சியார் வேட்கையால் கிடைத்த சுதந்திரம். சுதந்திர காக்க சாத்திடுவோம். இனிய சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
Thank you. Next, Iniyavan, 5th standard.
நமக. என் பெயர் ஆயினியவன். நான் 5ஆம் வகுப்பு படிக்கின்றேன். கிரீன்லாந்து மெட்ரிகுலேஷன் பள்ளி, புதுப்பேட்டை. சுதந்திர தின கவிதை. எண்ணற்ற வீரர்களின் என் உயர் தியாகங்களும் அண்ணல் காந்தியின் அகிம்சை போராட்டங்களும் அள்ளி தந்த ஆனந்த சூரம், எல்லைகள் தோறும் இரவும் பகலும் கண்ணுறக்கமற்ற இராணுவ வீரர்கள் அளித்திட்ட சுதந்திரம், ஆயிரம் ஆயிரம் ஆண்டுகள் சுதந்திரத்திற்காக ஆனந்த கூத்தாடுவோம். ஜெய் ஸ்ரீராம்.